Hello and welcome to another quick video from me, this tutor, and this time we're going to be looking at the Edexcel iGCSE topic of the First World War, and we're looking at this Describe question skill. Question number 1, and we're going to look at the naval race between Britain and Germany. Okay, let's get straight to our question. Here is an example question 1 on the naval race. So question 1 says, describe 2 features of the naval race. Now, in my video on just describe question for the alliances and in the revision guide, you'll see that we've already covered the success criteria for this question, but a brief reminder is we want to obviously make 2 ideas here, 2 features. So a simple point about one feature, a bit of evidence to back it up, a simple point about another feature, and a bit of evidence to back it up. Remember that history is an argument subject, so of course we want to make a point of argument. That helps us to create an idea and flow some evidence in our answers. So let's have a think now about this question. So look over the naval race information in the revision guide and see if you can find 2 points about the naval race. Things maybe it led to, impacts of it, and then evidence to back that up. So pause me now and fill in your plan of ideas as you did with the alliance system question. Okay, so here's my ideas. I've got first point that increased nationalism in Britain and Germany, the naval race. Evidence for this could be Germany started building dreadnought battleships. By 1908, British nationalism increased, so Germany had 4 dreadnoughts, Britain only had 2. Britain, of course, is supposed to have double the amount of its rival with its 2-power standard, so there was an outcry in Britain. Another point led to France and Britain becoming closer friends, the naval race. So Britain, due to the German threat, supported France in the Algiers crisis and Agadir crisis. They increased their joint military planning together. So obviously, they had the Entente already, but the German threat of the naval race pushed Britain to close relations with France. So how do we write this? Obviously, we're going to do our point evidence style. So we're going to create an argument, back it up with some evidence. It's a describe question. We don't need the explain phase of a P paragraph because we've not been asked to explain. So make a point. One feature of the naval race was, for example, back it up with some facts and evidence. Try to have 2 or 3 facts in there. Another feature of the naval race was, back it up with some evidence again with some facts. Now, in the exam, if you're lacking of facts, then obviously you can still get really good marks by showing a really good understanding of ideas. Maybe if you're lacking a few keywords, you can't quite remember something, but really good understanding, describing your ideas really successfully can still get you a good chunk of marks. So let's go through this answer together then. So let's make a point firstly. In our plan, we talked about it being nationalism. Maybe you want to give that a go. Maybe you had a different idea in your plan and you want to give that a go. That's fine. History, again, as I said earlier, is an argument subject. As long as you argue your point, you're going to get the marks. So make your point now. One feature of the naval race was that it... Okay, pause me now and give your opening sentence. So here's mine. One feature of the naval race was that it led to increased nationalism in Britain for war against Germany. Oh, so let's give some evidence to back up the idea. Maybe you've got something slightly different. Looking for 2 or 3 sentences now with evidence in there and description. So pause now and give it a go. So I said, for example, in 1908, Germany had 4 dreadnoughts, Britain's 2 dreadnoughts. This led to a jingoistic nationalism against Germany and Britain, develop a much larger navy against the German threat. As Britain should have double the amount of the next biggest navy with their sort of idea of 2-power standard. If you wanted to go to that level of detail, that might be a really good answer. Let's think about the second idea then. Make a point again. Another feature of the naval race was, so obviously we talked about making Britain and France closer. Germany pushed them together with their foreign policy. Maybe you're going to give that a go. Pause me now and away you go. Okay, so I said another feature of the naval race was that it led to greater unity between the Entente against Germany. So Entente being Britain and France. Okay, so now we can back that up with some evidence. Let's think about, I talked about the Moroccan crisis. That might be a really good example. Test your understanding of the Moroccan crisis, of course, because you could get a question on that. And practice describing how that led to better relations between England and France. So pause me now and away you go. So I said, for example, the naval race began in 1906. This led to Britain supporting France even more in the Algiers conference and the Agadir crisis against Germany. This led to stronger military unity between Britain and France against Germany. Okay, well, I hope you found it useful. And if you did, then have a look over some of my other tutoring videos. There's lots in my playlist there. And if you find those useful, then take a look at my revision guide if you haven't already. It's packed full of revision notes, revision videos where I talk through things. You'll find some of those in the playlist as well, and lots of practice questions so that you can have really good skills ready for your exams. Right, well, I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye for now.